everyone, and welcome to my application. This is my professional README generator. So this application would allow users to professionally generate a README by just supplying information as this application would throw questions at them. So this would allow the user to direct their attention to much more pressing issues of development. And yeah, and this will just make life easier, to be exact. In order to access this application, the user must clone my GitHub repository, which will and the link to that will be given on the actual repository itself. So once that repository is already cloned and it's already in their local devices, then go ahead and open your VS Code if you're using Mac and run this application in the terminal. So it's just that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to open my terminal right here. And in order to start, you'd have to type in node index.js, and you'll be prompted with the first question from a series of questions that this application is going to ask. So by supplying this information, you are generating the README for your own application. So for this demonstration purposes, we're just going to put in my information. Trisha Masmate. It's important that you put in the correct information so that if a link is generated to it, then it'll be easier and for the README generator to direct your users to the link for the specific page. So GitHub username would be Trisha Masbate. Repository name would be, in this case, it would be README generator. Okay, besides the project people link, we like to add their project link. So I'm gonna put later my link to my YouTube channel. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it no. Project title will be professional README generator. Okay, add screenshots. Yep. So it's important you add screenshots to your README so that there's a visual aid for your users to um to make use of. So in this case, I'm just gonna put utils. It'll be my README generator. Okay, project description. So in this case, I'm just gonna be copy pasting, so it'll be easier for demonstration purposes. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's just make it really concise. So steps would be clone the repository by clicking on the link above. So the cool thing about this is you can also use your icons and they will definitely 100% generate on your README as well. So once the repository is cloned, it will ask for instructions on how to do it. So open in terminal and then type in node index.js and then supply the information as prompted. Okay, enter the contributing guidelines. So with here, I'm just gonna click it. I'm just gonna put a link to GitHub Docs. So the cool thing about this one here is you can also put in links and then they would 100% be functional in your README as well. So I'm just gonna put please visit GitHub Docs for guidance. A link. Test will be, I'll just put npm test, and here on this part it'll be asking for a license. So this is actually made all the possible licenses that you would use in your projects are here. and they're accessible via a arrow. Just use your up and down buttons. So we're just going to be using the most common license, which would be MIT. And then there you have it. You have your README generator. It will generate this file right here. And voila, you can just look at the preview right there. So all of these are actually functional links that would deploy once you have it in your GitHub. There you have it. I hope this will be useful to you guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.